Today we're bringing you a steakhouse dinner right into your own kitchen. Hi everyone, if you're new around here, I'm Shelly with Art for My Table. And today I'm sharing with you my secret weapon to the best steak you've ever eaten. We're gonna pair it with a piping hot baked sweet potato and a classic wedge salad. This is the dinner that my husband and I eat every Sunday night when we have our date night in. Let's get started. We're going to begin with the potatoes because they are going to take the longest to cook. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees and using a paring knife, just pierce the potatoes on all sides a few times. Place that in the oven and they'll cook for anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour, just depending on the thickness of your potato. Next, we're going to start the steak. My secret weapon for cooking the best steak you've ever had is sous vide. In another video, I go through all the details and the benefits of sous vide cooking, and you can find that video right here. Sous vide cooking will give you the most tender, evenly cooked, never overcooked, perfect steak you've ever had. I've heated my water to 129 degrees for a medium rare steak. It's going to need to cook for 1 hour because it's an inch thick. The thickness of your steak and the doneness of your steak is going to determine the time and the temperature of the water bath. I'm going to lightly season my steak and then slip it into a gallon-size Ziploc bag. I'll add just a little bit of oil and then squeeze out all the air that I can. Then immerse it in your water bath. And now you can just set it aside. While our steak is cooking, we're gonna make the dressing for the wedge salad. A classic wedge salad is made with iceberg lettuce, juicy tomatoes, crispy bacon, and blue cheese. I'm gonna add some toasted pecans to the top of mine, and we're gonna finish it with a homemade ranch dressing and a balsamic reduction. To make the dressing, we're using a half a cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt and a half a cup of mayonnaise. Then we're going to add some seasonings, which consists of parsley, chives, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and dill. And just whisk that together until it's well combined. Then I'll add a few tablespoons of milk just to get it to the right consistency. And lastly, we'll add the blue cheese in. Now we're going to make the balsamic reduction. To do that, you just simply want to boil a half a cup of balsamic vinegar and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It will become just a little bit thicker where it will cover the back of a spoon, and then you can turn it off. The balsamic reduction will thicken as it cools, so if it's gotten too thick for you to drizzle, simply warm it up on low over the stove and it will be right back to that drizzling consistency. Okay, to cut the iceberg lettuce, go ahead and cut off the end, and then you simply want to cut it in half and then cut that half in half again, and that will give you a nicely shaped wedge. Now, one tip that I have is I will take out just a little bit of this corner with a paring knife just to give me a little flat space to lay the ingredients. It's okay if it spills down over, that's great, it makes a very nice presentation, but we do want some of it to be on top of the salad. Once I've done that, I can add my bacon and tomatoes. I'll drizzle on the dressing and blue cheese. And you can add a little bit more blue cheese if you'd like to. Sprinkle it with some pecans, and then finish it with your reduction. Once the steak is finished cooking in the sous vide, we want to finish it off and get that nice caramelized, crusty edge. The way we can do that is either with a pan or on the grill. So I've done it both ways. Today we're going to do a nice hot sear in a pan. So I'm just starting out with a little bit of herbed butter in my pan, and I want this pan to be screaming hot. Once it's ready, I'll transfer the steak from the bag onto the hot pan. It's important to not cook it for more than 30 seconds on each side. We're just looking to sear it. We don't want to cook it any more than it is because it's already the perfect temperature. Once it's finished, you're ready to eat. Add your baked potato and your wedge salad, and you have a steakhouse dinner right at home. Thank you so much for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be kept in the loop when a new video becomes available. Enjoy your classic steakhouse dinner at home, and I will see you next time.